Getting paid to travel the world. It sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's not just a dream, but it's something that you can actually do? It's not about having millions of followers or being a big influencer. It's about having the right tools and knowing how to pitch yourself. When I first started traveling, I had no idea how to reach out to hotels, Airbnbs, travel brands, or anything like that. I'd send out a bunch of random emails that wouldn't get any responses, and I'd end up spending a ridiculous amount of money for no reason. But once I figured out how to present myself professionally, everything changed, and that's where my Travel Media Kit template comes in. With this template, you don't have to start from scratch or guess what brands or hotels are looking for. You can just plug in your photos and your story and instantly have a pitch deck that stands out to hotels. And I know what you might be thinking, this probably only works if you have a massive audience, but the truth is, this isn't all about numbers, it's about how you present the value that you can bring, and this Media Kit template allows you to do exactly that. What if I'm not a professional filmmaker, or what if I don't have a lot of followers, or what if I've never worked with a brand before? None of that matters. If you know how to use a camera, or you can figure out how to learn fast, hotels will pay for your services. Insider hint, they can't grow without it, so shift your mindset from I need this hotel collab to understanding that they actually need you to grow. This is how I've been able to turn my passion for travel into a career, building partnerships, covering travel costs, and even getting paid to explore the world. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So if you've ever dreamed of getting paid to travel the world, or you just want to increase your appeal for any brand partnerships, this Travel Media Kit is your first step. It's simple, effective, and ready to help you start landing deals today. The world is out there waiting for you, and all you need is the right approach to open the doors. Check out the template. Let's make your travel dreams a reality.